This is my second time coming here to celebrate women on this day, and I want to specifically thank Simba Group for making this a yearly event to support women, to encourage them, to tell them that they're more, to tell them that they can do better. So thank you, Simba Group, for encouraging women, for taking the bold step to doing the things people ordinarily wouldn't do. I am truly appreciative of this move, this idea, and I hope you keep it up. Don't stop. Don't stop, don't stop, don't stop. And to the Queen Riders, God bless you. Thank you for your strength. Thank you for your resilience. Thank you for believing in Simba, that they believe in you, though you believe in them. That they want to bring out the best in you, telling you that you can be more. So encouraging women is the best thing a company or a group of people can do, because we give life, we breathe life, we sustain life. So if you sustain the source of life, you're giving yourself life in return. So thank you, Simba Group. I'm using this opportunity to tell every woman out there that you can be more, you are better, you're strong, you're resilient, you're powerful, you are more than you think you can ever be, and then you have a purpose and a destiny to fulfill here. So don't be slack, don't be discouraged. You can be more. You can be more. If I can strive to be who I am today, despite all the challenges I've been thrown, that has been thrown my way, you can be more. And challenges don't have a particular level that they go to. The higher your level, the higher the challenge. So, just strive to be more and be a better person. Thank you.